She was just 2 doors down from home, a pregnant black woman walking along Madison Boulevard, not causing a disturbance, not committing a crime, simply searching for her escaped dog. But in Groves, Texas, that was enough. 2 officers pull up, demanding ID, claiming she was walking on the wrong side of the road. Her husband, who is white, also walking beside her, wasn't stopped, wasn't asked for ID, wasn't cited. And when she questioned the stop, 4 officers surrounded them. All of this over a woman walking in her own neighborhood, on grass, with no sidewalk in sight. This encounter has sparked outrage and raised a troubling question. Was this about pedestrian safety, or was this about power? The Groves police say it was just enforcement of a traffic code, but the couple says it was an excessive show of power. And now they've hired an attorney, because she didn't just get a ticket, she got a message loud and clear. In Groves, walking while black might still be a crime.
Any ID on you? Because, well, the violation here is that you're walking on the wrong side of the road. You have to walk facing oncoming traffic, which is be that side.
I'm looking for my dog. I live down right there.
You got an ID on you?
They're gonna take me to jail.
I'm just asking for your ID right now.
I'm just walking down the street.
I told you what the violation was. 57 traffic.
Yeah.
You don't have a Texas ID on you?
No, I just moved here. I just got married to my husband.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so everybody else can walk past.
No. She is walking on the wrong side of the road, which is why I'm here.
She's walking while black? Is that what it is?
No. She needs to be against traffic so that way they can see her walking.
So that's a traffic stop.
Yes, it is. You see these red and blue lights on? This is now a traffic stop. Yes, it is.
Outside every day. Watch everybody walk across on this side of the road, walk on that side of the road. I literally sit outside on both sides. They walk on both sides. They bike on both sides. Freaking resident here. I don't. This is walking while black.
You're a resident here? Then why don't you have a Texas ID?
Because I just moved here. I just married my husband.
Okay, how long have you been here?
I've been here a couple months. Why?
Couple months?
Is this an investigation now?
They're just questioning you.
Investigation now?
Yeah,
investigation now?
because when you change your address, when you change your address, you're supposed to update it.
Walking while black. Walking while black. It's this big whoop. Like, come on now. Everybody walk down the street all the time. I literally sit there all the time. See people walk on this side all the time. Walk on both sides all the time. All the time.
It's literally just a traffic stop.
It doesn't
Why are
matter,
you
bro.
making a big deal?
Because y'all were driving down there. Y'all could have kept
You
driving
saw
down
you on
there.
the wrong
Y'all were
side.
driving down there and you saw a black woman walking in a white
No.
neighborhood. You saw a black woman walking in a white neighborhood. You saw a black...
Without a Texas ID or deal, can I still issue a citation?
Let me know. You say, hey, babe, you're walking on the wrong side of the road. When let me see your
You know,
ID.
if you would have just stated, exactly, then you started screaming.
Before you said anything, you asked for my ID. If you asked if I had an ID, like I'm
Right.
some type of criminal. You could have asked.
I
hey,
need to
man,
know who I'm
what's your
talking to,
name?
do I not?
No, you can say, hey man, what's your name? I'm looking for my dog. I'm looking for my dog. I live right there. So I can't even walk 10 steps without being stopped by the cops. There's someone checking me.
Not what. What's a good phone number for you?
Walking on the wrong side.
Alright, man, I gotta take a photo of you. Alright, I got it. Sign for me on Red X for me, please.
What am I?
It's not an admission of guilt, just promise to appear before the court. Yes, it
I gotta
is.
get a quick thing. What am I getting a quick thing for?
Walking the wrong side of the road. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Y'all got no life. Y'all got other jobs, other problems in the world. I just got a ticket from
The Groves PD says they don't tolerate racism, that this was just about safety. But according to their own stats, just 1 African American was cited out of 8 arrests for this obscure traffic law. And that one person is now on this tape. Attorney Langston Adams calls it what it is: selective enforcement. Because her white husband also walking the same way. No ticket, no threat, no backup. This wasn't about a sidewalk. This was about control. Let us know in the comments. Is this about safety or selective policing? And if you've ever been stopped for simply walking through your neighborhood, your story matters. Drop it below. Here is another true story. It started with silence. A man lay in the grass, arms folded, just watching the sky. Not trespassing, not harming anyone. Then came the officer. "Hey man, we got a call. You sleeping out here?" The man sat up, calm. "I was just looking at the sky." But when he refused to show ID and asked, "Am I breaking a law?" the mood changed. It could be a misdemeanor, the cop warned. Moments later, he's in handcuffs. For what? Laying down, knowing his rights? In today's America, even silence can get you arrested.
What's going on, man? Hey, we took a call saying that you might be sleeping out here.
No, I was laying down for a minute.
Oh, okay.
Laying on my back,
Oh, okay.
looking at the sky.
Okay. You got your ID with you?
No, I didn't.
Okay. What's your name, man?
Am I doing something illegal?
Well, we got called here for suspicious activity, so I got an idea.
Is that a misdemeanor or felony?
Huh?
Is that a misdemeanor or felony?
Is it a misdemeanor or a felony? Well, it could be a misdemeanor if you failure to identify yourself.
Well, unless I'm breaking a law, I'm not going to ID.
Okay, so you're choosing to get arrested instead of just giving me your name.
I'm choosing to not break a law, which I'm not doing. Am I breaking a law?
By not giving me your identification, yes, you
No,
are.
That's not the way it
Yes,
works.
that's interference.
Are you detaining me or am I free to go?
No, you're being detained.
For what?
Because we're investigating
You
suspicious.
give me reasonable, articulate suspicion.
We got called here by a
Right.
third party
Well,
for an individual sleeping by the flagpole.
okay.
You're the only person here by the flagpole.
Did you see me sleeping?
No, you just admitted to me that you were.
I never said anything about sleeping. I said I was laying on my back and I was looking at the sky.
Okay.
Is that illegal?
No, but
Okay.
we still got called here, so we got to investigate it.
Well, you call him back and you tell him that I wasn't sleeping.
Okay, so are you going to give me your name
No,
or
I'm
not?
not.
Okay, stand up, turn around. You're under arrest.
Is this really how it works?
Yes, that is how it works,
I'm
man.
like a supervisor here.
Okay. Hey, release your hands for me, dude. Release.
He knew his rights, and he was right. But that didn't stop the cuffs. Police claimed suspicious activity and interference, even though all he did was stay silent and ask for a lawyer. No crime, no threat, just a refusal to obey an unlawful order. This wasn't about safety. This was about control. Was it legal? Was it right? Or was he arrested for saying, "I don't consent"? Tell us in the comments.